In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a schedule calendar in Notion. If you want a simple way to organize your tasks, events, and appointments all in one place, Notion is a great option. It gives you a flexible workspace where you can build a calendar that fits your routine, whether you're planning work deadlines, personal errands, or school assignments. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up that schedule step by step in a way that's easy to maintain. Start by creating a new page in Notion for your schedule. You can give the page a clear name so it's easy to find later. This page will act as the main home for your calendar, so it helps to think of it as your planning hub. Once the page is ready, add a database to the page. The database is what allows Notion to store each event, task, or appointment as its own item. This is important because it makes your schedule more dynamic and easier to sort, edit, and review over time. After that, add a date property to the database. This is the key part that turns a simple list into something you can actually place on a calendar. The date property tells Notion when each item is supposed to happen, and it can also help you keep track of deadlines and upcoming plans. Next, create a calendar view. This changes the way your database is displayed, so instead of looking at rows in a table, you'll see your schedule laid out by day and month. This makes it much easier to spot busy days, open time slots, and upcoming commitments at a glance. And now start adding tasks, events, or appointments to the calendar. Keep each entry short and clear so it's easy to understand when you scan your schedule. As you build it out, you'll begin to see your week or month come together in a more visual and organized way. For each calendar item, click into it to add more details, notes, or reminders. This is helpful if you need to include extra context, like what to bring, what to prepare, or anything you don't want to forget. Adding these details inside each item keeps your calendar clean while still giving you all the information you need. If you want more organization, use filters to separate work, personal, or school events. This can make a big difference when your schedule starts getting full, because it lets you focus only on the category you need at that moment. Finally, review your calendar daily or weekly. A quick check-in helps you stay prepared, avoid missing important dates, and keep your schedule up to date. With a simple system like this, Notion can become a reliable part of your everyday planning.